Hi guys, it's Leslie Ware of The Creative Cookie. Today we are going to make a scrappy scarf. Okay, so let's grab your materials and get started. The main material that you're gonna need are your scraps, your sewing machine, some pins, fabric scissors, newspaper or wrapping paper. Once you have all your supplies, we have to pin this whole thing together. Improvise and have fun. Okay, so I'm just going to keep adding pieces here, and the next thing we're going to do is start sewing. Set your machine on the zigzag setting. You are just going to keep going until all of the pieces are connected. So the next thing you're going to do is you're going to make a pattern 34 inches by about 3.5 to 4 inches wide. Fold your fabric in half. Make sure everything is lined up. Pin all the way around. You're going to cut it out, and you just cut around your paper pattern piece. And I'm going to take all the pins out. So you have to do the exact same thing on the other side. Take your front panel and your back panel, and you want to sandwich them on top of each other. Okay, so now that everything is pinned, switch your machine from the zigzag stitch to the straight stitch setting, and we are just going to go all the way around. Gently turn this inside out and close. Next, I'm going to iron this, and then I can't wait to show you how it looks.